Hey everybody, Elliot Cribbs with MarineMax in Savannah, Georgia. This is a all-black Yamaha 222 Fish Sport that we just got in. Going to be giving you a quick run-through on it today. This boat comes equipped with a nice live well on the aft of the boat on the starboard side. Keep your baits alive while you're fishing. A reversible seat on the leaning post, so if you're anchored up, you can be looking out the back of the boat. Give you a look at the helm, and we can also, so you can see that. Plenty of cup holders on the back of the boat and a nice lounging area. Makes it very easy to get in and out of. Comes equipped with dual Yamaha throttles, a Jensen stereo, the cruise assist, which is basically cruise control for these boats. If you're pulling people on the tube, you can set your cruise speed so you're not constantly having to work the throttle. And this screen right here is your gauges screen, show you the RPMs, the engine temperatures, and it also reads depth. And also a phone charger right here. As we move to the front of the boat, plenty of storage on these 222s. Open it up, give you a look here. And also a trash can. And it is the same on the port side. We have rod storage right here. And a nice lounging area up front. There is a piece that goes in the middle of this to create a nice casting deck. Plenty of storage. And one cool thing that Yamaha does is this front seat in front of the leading post opens up into a nice storage space. Plenty of room to store your cushions and any other accessories, and there's also access to all of your wiring. So that about sums it up for the 222 Fish Sport. If you have any more questions, call us at 912-897-9881. Thank you.